Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can set up a Beehiiv newsletter. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to configure your newsletter for your proper delivery and subscriber engagement. So first, what you will have to do is of course log into your Beehiiv account. If you don't have one yet, make sure to create an account first before proceeding to the next steps, and make sure that you already have a plan and your account all set up. Then after you logging in, you will go to newsletters, and then you will see settings, and then you will click that and click configure newsletter. Then you will set your newsletter name, your sender email, and your reply to email, and you will choose delivery schedule like daily, weekly, or custom. You will enable features like subscriptions form and sign up confirmation emails. Then after all that, you will just have to save your settings before exiting. Then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.